Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas price now moving in this particular zone, as you can see looking at this particular chart here. Okay, so now it is trading at around $2.462. Okay, and chances are very high if it sustain below this particular zone, then chances are high it can go towards a level of 23 and then further low, because this level has not come since August of 2020. Okay, there is a sharp fall we have seen, but you have to understand something, that why I'm explaining you in my every video, because there is a pattern forming. Because this, till the time we have not seeing a swing, we cannot see it can go further upside, because when it tries to move upside, it tries to move in the particular zone and form a swing. That is where it tries to go higher. Okay, as you can see here, it tries to move in this particular zone, and when it started moving, that is where it started moving upside. And this is because of the war situation. Also, there are a lot of factors affecting the price of natural gas. Fed was continuously increasing the interest rate and the USD dollar getting strengthened. Okay, now probability is there, we can see the natural gas price can move further low. Before I explain you, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. After making $10 high, it is continuously on the downside. Okay, and this is the high of around $9.6, you can see. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart, that first I'll explain you if the price sustain this particular level, but it is on a lesser chances, but you should not blindly trust that the market will go in one direction. Always try to follow certain rules, and because there is a lot of volatility, so there can be your target and SL both can be hit at the same time. Okay, after hitting your SL, the target can be hit. So always try to, if the volatility is high, reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL as well as target, so that it should not get hit and you should not regret it afterwards. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go towards its next resistance of $2.629, and if that level move further high, it can cross a level of $2.8, and from there it can go towards a level of around $3. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain above $2.646, then we can see a level of $3. If it goes above that particular zone, it can go towards a level of around $3.29. $3.29 is again a weak resistance, so chance of going further upside is there. Then we can see it can touch a level of $3.48, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone and can go further upside towards a level of around $3.669. Okay, now suppose if the price move up that particular zone, it can cross a level of $3.756, because this level is again a weak resistance, so chance of going further upside is there. We can see a level of $3.9. Once it sustain above 3.9, then we can see it can go towards a level of 4.1. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain above 4.1, chances of touching 4.35 is on a higher side, because there is a gap theory can apply at this particular level. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Once the price comes close to 4.1, chances of touching 4.35 is on a higher side. Okay, now if the price move over this particular video, I'll make another video explaining you, but if the price move over level of 4.3, keep this in mind, there will be a trend towards an upside, and then we can see it can go towards a level of around $4.6 to a level of around 5.1. After 4.6, we can see a level of 5.1 and then further upside. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further high. But understand something, okay, that the market for natural gas is continuously downside, and now it is trading in this particular zone. Okay, suppose if the price move below this particular zone, chances are very high we can see it can come towards its next support of $2.289. Once it move from this particular zone, it will come in this particular zone. Okay, so once it move below a level of $2.28, from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $2, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $1.836, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can go towards a level of 1.5. This 1.5 is a weak support, so chances are very high it can go further down towards a level of around $1.45, and from there we can see it can go further down. You have to keep this in mind. Once the price fall below $2, chances are very high we can see a level of 1.9 to a level of $1.5 also, that the price can come down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Overall trend is downside, keep that in mind. Okay, and but it is quite volatile, you have to keep this in mind. So always your SLN target should be double with a half of your quantity. And now see, a pattern is forming. Okay, so keep this in mind, that keep also this in mind whenever swing form, then we can see a further upside can come. Now understand something, why most of the traders lose money. Okay, what they do is, suppose if they are trading with $10,000, they try to make double their capital, and they suppose if they lose 2000 also, they try to recover the same day. This is where they lose their full capital. What I teach, see what you can do instead, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is 1000 to 1500 per trade, risk of $50 to $100 per trade. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum loss you can do is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now what is the benefit? It will not be a psychological pressure for you to recover this, but you will focus more on profit. This is what you can do. Okay, so this is how I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.